Hey, hello, what's up, people? This is Mayur. You're watching my channel, Rosa Studio. Make sure you're subscribing the channel before you watch it. This video is about a stretcher. Before painting, I need a stretcher to stretch my canvas, and this is the process where I used to make my stretcher. So have a look at this process, and that's if you're working with art and trying to make your own stretcher, so follow this process. Now make sure you're subscribing the channel so you get more notification from my channel Rosen Studio.